Candy Crush. Escapism. In theory, escapism has been described as a push factor which refers to factors that predispose an individual to travel. Crompton marked that the desire to escape from a perceived everyday environment, or in the other words, the tedium of routine, formed one of the main motives driving vacation behavior. In Candy Crush game, in my opinion, is about escaping the everyday life. The game itself takes the player to a beautiful environment with all colorful places and visually tempting playgrounds. From a psychological perspective, Baumeister made a comment that individuals may be trying to escape their current images of self. He also indicated that escape may be momentarily achieved by shrinking down the self to its bare minimum. Pine and Gilmore made a notification that escapism experiences correspond with a complete immersion of a participant in an activity, a dimension that has also been called upon in Csikszentmihalyi's description of the concept of flow experience. If we think the flow experience, that is what is playing digital and video games all about. Sometimes people lose their sense of time while playing, and they feel they only played for a short period of time. Entertainment. Sometimes people are bored or between tasks, and they need to spend time by doing something not productive. Candy Crush game provides entertainment for that time when you need to fight against boredom. Candy Crush Saga games have been downloaded 2.73 billion times since the game was first launched in 2012. There are thousands of people play every day, with total 115,000 kilometers swiped by fingers every single day, which is the equivalent of running a collective 2,725 marathons. The application not just sitting unused on people's phones, there are 1.1 trillion rounds of the game have been played around the world up to this date. For example, in the UK, 50 billion rounds have been played since Candy Crush was launched. In Spain, 40 billion rounds have been played, and in France, 54 billion rounds have been played. No matter where people are playing, they seem to like to do it at the same time during the day, in the evening. In the UK, the US and Germany, most popular time for playing Candy Crush is between 8 and 10 p.m. Graphics. Game developer King has two offices in Sweden. They are the team behind the world-famous Candy Crush game, and they also have another famous game called Farm Hero Saga. Each voice of the characters and music sample is created here in specially designed studios. The score is sent to New York, where it is performed by a live orchestra. The graphics of the game is very colorful and tempting. In our opinion, the game looks very girlish, and we should imagine that this kind of graphics would appeal to younger players and maybe especially to girls. Thank you.